Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Telegram without a mobile number. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use Telegram, which is the application to create or basically use it without a phone number, you could easily go ahead and do this firstly by going over on the Telegram application. And I'm going to go ahead and log out from my account real quick and show you guys what this should look like if you were to log in using other options besides your phone numbers. So if you would like to go ahead and basically log on to your Telegram, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys over here on Telegram web that you can actually go ahead with logging in using your QR code instead of your phone number. So all we need to do is just to go ahead and just scan this QR code so that we can easily log in even though we don't have access to that phone number, as long as we have the mobile application ready and we can easily go ahead and scan this QR code. And with just that simple scan, we could easily go ahead and log on to our Telegram accounts that easily. And essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.